This is an auto-reconnect adjustable voltage current protector. Now let's connect to the power to learn how to set and use it. Turn the power on. The regulator and the protector show the same voltage value. Press the set key to set our voltage value. Press the set key again to set under voltage. Then to set voltage fault tripping time. Then to set our current value. Now set our current tripping time. And then set auto reconnect time. Finally, press the OK key to finish the settings. Let's turn up the voltage. The device shuts off the output. Now turn the voltage down to the normal. The power will be reconnected automatically. Let's turn down the voltage. The device shuts off the output. Now turn the voltage up to normal. The power will be reconnected automatically. The same to our current test. Press the set key, then press the up and down simultaneously to restore factory setting. 5-second long press OK key to shut off the output and protections. Now press OK key as a switch to turn on or off the output without protections. If you want to recover the protections, 5-second long press OK key again. Thanks for watching and welcome to select the products from Sinoasian.